What's going on, guys? Good morning, good morning. What's good in the hood? It's Wednesday morning. Wednesday morning. What's going on? Litecoin going to the moon this morning. That's what's going on. Litecoin making massive moves above the $200 area. You can see here, Litecoin. I don't know if you can see it very well there, but you can see something's going on there. I'll pull it up here. Litecoin breaking out above that $200 area. Breaking out above there. Breaking out, boom, boom. Litecoin moving up there. This morning, a lot of FOMO. People chasing this thing. It's going to the moon kind of thing. But what else is moving? So ZN. ZN was a stock that last night went to the moon as well. But now it's pulling back. So ZN's pulling back. Not looking that hot this morning. There's no shares to short. Oh, wow. So yesterday there were shares to short on ZN, but today there's no shares to short. How does this always work? How does that always work? Whenever it's like an amazing short, there's never shares to short. Let's take a look at AQMS. AQMS. Okay. AQMS pre-market. After look at that pre-market, got that support yesterday there at the 273 area. Keep an eye on AQMS. If you can't break above this $3 area, might be a good opportunity to go short at that point. Yesterday making some moves, bouncing around there. Let's get that 320 area one more time. Maybe it might be nice. But Wednesday, this damn YouTube thing. I wish it just automatically changed. I'm gonna take away the days. No more days. I'm just gonna only pre-market. All right, so AQMS, what else is moving? Let's take a look here. Stockmarketwatch.com. What are you saying? What's pre-market movers? So FOSL Fossil yesterday making a 100% move after hours from $9 up there to $18. Tell me one of you guys went long on this baby before close. I doubt it, but crazy to say the least. Talk about it. From $9 up there to $18. Fossil watch company up 100%. I mean, I don't even know what's going on with that one. Got my boy Hitesh calling out DBVT as the stupidest, easiest short of his life. Well, there's no shares to short, Hitesh. Well, it can't be an easy short. There's no shares to short, my friend. Oh, man. Blockchain watches. Yes. The new Fossil Bitcoin watch. Groupon. Okay, Groupon. What's the news on Groupon? Why is Groupon gapping down right now? Anybody know? Groupon's got that support. Looks like back on the 5-minute chart there at the 470, 466 area. Looking here at the daily chart. It's actually been in a pretty consistent little upward trend here, but this could be the start of a new trend. You can see previously, Groupon got up there to the $6 area back in 2016 and pulled back from there. So, okay, I like it. Looks like they had bad earnings back then in 2016, and it crashed from 522 down there to 395. So it looks like we're kind of setting up for the same kind of similar setup right now. You can see, previously had that resistance there, kind of turned into support. And it gapped down from that $5 area down there to $3.95. So GRPN, Groupon, this morning. What's it going to do here? So I might look to go short on Groupon if it gets stuck there at that $5 area. So that $5 whole dollar. We'll see if the VWAP is there at 497. So we'll see if the VWAP can hold this baby down. It's got bad earnings, bad news. Don't. Earnings don't. But don't short Groupon. Don't do what he said. Don't do it. If you short Groupon, you'll die. I don't know. Someone's really not a fan of shorting Groupon. OLED. OLED up this morning, up 8%, up there to the 157 area right now, 161 high there. What's going on with the dailies? Okay. Groupon is currently at a strong support area. All right, it makes sense. Not going to short it right now. Was going to short it later. Don't get too excited. So thinking, I don't know what's going on with this ZN. Yesterday, making a massive move there, end of day, from 325 up there to 488. I guess it's a major short squeeze. No shares are short right now. Thinking we might get some action today, though. Maybe some action. We just want to set up. ZSAN. Gapping up 23% this morning. Oh, they found an oil well. Everybody found an oil well. Go find an oil well. You'll make a ton of money. Make money. Oil well. Money, money, money. My Chipotle. Old Chipotle made a video about this last night. Chipotle's got a new CEO. New CEO for Chipotle. They're up 11% right now. All in the news that the Taco Bell CEO is taking over at Chipotle. So big news for Chipotle. And big news for big news for Taco Bell. I haven't been to Taco Bell in a long, long time, but I have been to Chipotle. I have been to Chipotle a lot. I go to Chipotle a lot. And obviously, this is going to be big news anytime a new CEO, anytime something like this is going on. So we'll see what happens with Chipotle. What happened to the watch list? I forgot. I got to reset that up. I moved some things around, and I'll get that set up later this week. The rest of this week, so tomorrow and Friday, Thursday and Friday, I will be at a boat show in Miami, at the yacht show. Woo! We're going to be selling some yachts in Miami. So if you don't see me on here, don't worry. It's not because I blew up my account. It's not because I'm not trading, or it's not because I blew up my account or I did anything stupid. It's because I'll be at the yacht show in Miami. If you want to come see me, come see me. I'll be at the yacht show. I'll be on the biggest, baddest yacht there is. Now, DigiByte's not way up, but Litecoin's up a little bit today. I actually bought some Litecoin these last couple of weeks, just kind of buying a little bit of Litecoin, thinking we might get a bounce there. Bought Litecoin, Bitcoin, kind of bought everything on these last big drops. Chipotle. What's going on with Chipotle? You're selling yachts. I'm actually selling drones for people to take pictures of other yachts. So it's a good market. You know, people have a yacht. They want to take pictures, right? Well, what's the best way to take a picture of a yacht? A drone. So I'll be there. Not really selling drones, more just demonstrating drones or talking to people about drones or drone stuff. I don't know. It'll be interesting. It'll be interesting to say the least. I don't know why, but I've got a bad feeling about today. These I had to, last 2 days I felt pretty good about the market, but this morning just not feeling it right now. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. I don't know if how I should feel about not feeling good about the market right now. I think when you go 2 days, without a loss, you're like, oh man, 2 days. 2 days of green. The more and more green days you have, the better chance there's going to be a red day coming up. So, whew. Oh, Ross over at Warrior Trading has been having a rough week as well. I think he's had a rough kind of month so far. Seen some massive losses. Obviously, he makes some massive wins, but you know, you gotta to win big, you gotta lose big, kind of thing. You gotta risk big. So, you know, he's taking 20,000 shares, you know, 15,000 shares sometimes on these stocks that move up and down 30, 40 cents. That's a pretty massive risk on some of these movers. I don't know why he doesn't short some of these things. You feel like he would be really good at shorting some of these really crappy stocks. He's really good at buying the breakouts and stuff, but why not short? You know, I don't know. He says that he's not really big into shorting, but you think that he would start shorting some of these things. It's pretty clear some of these just crappy penny stocks are just gonna crash. BLDP, no shares, just short. It's up there to the 368 area, 370 area. Not sure what's going on there. What else is happening this morning? Looking back here at ZN. I don't know. Maybe we'll see if ZN can break out above this $4 area and get crazy again. You can see yesterday morning, pre-market, didn't do much. And then all of a sudden, well, that wasn't even until later on the day. It was like middle of the day, actually. So in the middle of the day, ZN, I think he got halted at one point somewhere in here. He got halted and then made a big move and then crashed back down and then started to move higher there. So 391 ZN right now. We'll see. We'll see. What's going on with HTZ? Hertz. I got a love-hate relationship with Hertz. I've made some money shorting it. I've made some money long in it. I've made some money. I've also lost some money doing both of those things. So it's kind of a wash with Hertz. A wash. But it looks like it's down 7% on the day right now. Holding that $17 area. HTZ. Looking at the daily chart, this thing is clearly moving down. There was that previous support there a couple times, supporting there at $17 area. So bang, bang, bang. Shares. So bang, bang, bang. Support there at the $17 area. We'll see if HTZ can crack below that $17 area. It might be a nice little short at that point. But right now, it's looking like that $17 area is key support. Overall, you can see kind of these waves in the chart. I got these daily chart here. You can see the tops there, $27, $25 area. And now we're down there at that support area. So we're kind of at the bottom of that wave. We would need to break below that $17 area to really start moving down, I think. We broke a little bit pre-market, but we're down to 1680. I got the view app there at 1751. We'll see if HTZ Hertz can pull down through that $17 area today. Also, looks like Avis CAR is down as well, down 6%. Looks like they're having a bad what do you call it? A bad outlook. I've never really been that bullish on these car rental companies because it makes no sense. I think the car rental business has got to be hurting. Got to be hurting. Got to be hurting. Car rental business. I mean, you got Uber, you got all these other companies that are basically taking over. You know, it used to be when you traveled, you had to rent a car, but now you just take an Uber. So we'll see what happens today with the car rental business. And yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on HTZ. See what happens if we can bounce maybe off that $17 area. Maybe it might be a long if it starts bouncing there. What else are we looking at? ZSAN. Doing a little bit of something this morning. Groupon. Keep a close eye on this one as well. AQMS also. Going to be watching this one. AQMS, see if it gets stuck there at the $3 area, might be a good short opportunity. Depending on what happens at open. I'll keep an eye on it. And what else? CRTO, someone calling this one out. CRTO gapping up 27% this morning from the $23 area up there to $30. No shares are short. It's up big though. Up 27%. Not bad. Not bad to see. Not bad. Still low volume. 166,000 shares are traded. So we'll see what happens at open there. A couple stocks moved around this morning. A couple stocks looking like they have potential. But overall, it seems that I think the market's kind of down right now. Yeah, the market's down. There was some, I think, news came out about, what did come out? About the consumer sentiment and then some other retail stuff going on. Some other retail stuff going on there. FOSL has shares as short. Okay, boom. Perfect. So I'm going to keep an eye on FOSL as well. A couple things. Yeah, there you go. Inflation data. Inflation data wasn't that good. Retail wasn't that good. Obviously, we knew retail wasn't going to be that good, but the market just did not like that. TVIX made a move this morning as well. Volatility going from 980 up there to above $11, pulling back now. We'll see what happens at open. If the market's going to sell off, it's going to start pulling up, or what's happening. Big old drop from the 267 area down there to 262. So big drop there on the SPY. We'll see what happens today, market open. On that note, I'm going to go get a coffee. I'll talk to you guys later on. If you haven't already, do me one big favor. Do me one big favor. Hit that subscribe button. I know you want to. I know you want to. I'll talk to you guys later on.